scout bees.
There's one.
Yeah.
He's circling.
That means they're orienting. Yeah, I'm just giving them a little bit of time to settle down because the ride might have been bumpy. Maybe some marks one side.
Yep.
Some of them have 2 marks, but
Okay.
yeah. So where are you putting these?
On this side here.
So we might have some empty bars in there.
Okay.
Most of them should have columns. Well, you wanna do the honors or what?
Sure.
This is the front of the hive.
Okay.
That one's open. So if we start at the back, it shouldn't be too bad.
Okay.
I mean, I brought my jacket and veil just in case,
Okay.
but it really depends what you're comfortable with.
Okay. I will give it a try. I normally suit up.
Right.
So that's the back. So put that in the back as well.
Yep.
How often do you go in your hives to inspect them?
I go maybe every week and a half.
Okay.
Just personally because I like the data part of it.
Yeah.
You might have seen some of our emails.
Yep.
About the software that we made.
Yeah.
So I like going in, collecting the data, and then seeing what's going on in general.
You know, I got into trouble last year. I was on vacation, then I was traveling for work, and I didn't go into it for like 3 weeks. I just got a bunch of them sealed together.
Yeah.
I had
Crosscomb.
Yeah, I had this abnormal growth. It's nice and relaxed.
Keep that spacer on there.
Oh, because it kind of went out a little bit. Yeah.
Nice. We got some drone cells there. The puffy ones.
Right. What is this growth right there in the middle? Yeah.
Probably touching
Oh,
the other
okay.
side. Yeah, it's right there. So just watch out for that. You can scrape it off.
Yeah, now here's a bunch of larvae. That one's pretty full.
Yeah. And actually, you see how it's the caps are a little darker at the bottom here?
Oh, yeah.
That means it's older. So, same with here.
Yeah.
The ones at the bottom are more likely to be coming out sooner. And the ones up here have been capped. Looks like we got a good mix of everything. They love the pollen on this one for sure. Oh, actually, it's a little soft soil.
Oh, okay.
Be careful with it. Yeah, especially with the humidity, and then because we had to seal it up.
Yeah.
It was getting a little warm there. Yeah, I rarely spot between myself.
Oh, really? Okay.
I usually, when I'm in the hive, I'm just looking for, eggs, really. And if I see eggs, then I know everything's good. And actually, I see eggs in this one.
But is that emerging, or is that somebody doing something?
Well, they're doing maintenance because they're in head first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when they're emerging, they'll have their heads poking out.
I struggle to do this.
Yeah. It gets crazy when there's a lot more bees in there.
Oh, God, yeah.
And if they're really mad, it's hot out.
Yeah, these guys are, when they... So is that, do you think they're more mellow because of the temperature right now?
Possibly. But, they're not fighting for resources.
Okay.
So it's spring or summer. There's a lot of nectar and pollen around. They're not necessarily afraid that somebody is going to steal it. Put my jacket on and dump it, or what do you think? You want to dump it?
I'll let you dump it.
All right.
The first year that I had bees, I did notice a change in my garden.
Yeah.
The following year.
Really?
My neighbors got two, they thought they were just like flowering trees. They turned out they were plum trees. And until, the bees got here, they weren't doing any pollen. There was no pollination going on. brush or something?
Good old feather guider. Perfect.
How long do you think I should still keep giving them sugar water for?
I'd say with this weather, everything's blooming right now, you're probably good not to.
Okay.
What's in there? Is that just water or?
Just sugar water.
Okay, what kind of ratio?
Probably like 1/3 sugar, 2/3 water.
Okay. Yeah, I mean after this, probably just fill it with water. And so we should probably put the lid on and
Yep.
then we'll figure out what the entrance is.